just made it to Miami. I got like a 3-hour layover I'm not excited about. I'm trying to debate on what I want to eat. I really don't want none of them Cuban sandwiches. Like, that shit is trash. Yeah, I want to shout out Chris on the Lakers travel pillow, man. Because I would have, for sure, my neck would have been fucked up in that little ass plane. The next plane's supposed to be bigger though. But anyways, I'm out. Yo, so now I'm in the trenches, in the slums. I'm on my way to meet up with George. I need to get some chicken, man. I got US money. I need some pesos, some dineros. But I'm trying to link with him because he said it's the ATM by him. And plus we about to go to this pool park. Speaking of the fucking devil. Look at me, boy. You smoking cigs? What's up, my guy? What's up?
Good, good, good. Alright, ATM right.
Tell him what's up, man.
Nothing much. We about to party, bro.
About to get right? About to turn the fuck up?
Yeah. You haven't been walking the whole time with it.
Yeah, look at this guy. I'm walking to his crib. He's halfway here. About to come in and drag me out, huh?
Where the fuck is Mark? And they'll be like, you're not allowed.
Get the change, bro. Look. I have to change. I needed swim trunks. We're going to a pool resort. Said I can't get in the resort with fucking flip flops. So now I gotta go back and put on my shoes. So I grabbed the shoes. Now we're ready to go. I just made it to the resort. I'm not gonna say what resort we're at. Free perks. Free perks. Said it's one sandwich.
You can't take that without that.
Yeah, what is it supposed to be? Guys talking about it's one sandwich. Oh. Yeah, it's funny, man. Let me see, can I zoom in? Ah, no, I can't.
Oh, right here.
I'm cooler than niggas. Gucci and Louis, don't problem. I promise to shit on you niggas. Come fuck with a nigga. I hang with killers, spill liquor, and baby, I don't take no pictures. I'm by my figures. Her body right, pussy tight, saying nice. Don't make me suspicious. Chasing these digits. I'm risking life, do it twice the blue stripes. You know how we get it. Poor, I'm a star. We taking shots at the bar. 13 more shots at his car, I can see very far. And baby, we know who you are. I am not here for your heart. Just play your part. No ice, I still shine in the dark. Bitches, they pay me, it's art. She tell me I'm smart. Pull up and not double park. Treating her rape like a dart. Yeah.
Yo, this is still February 21st. What time is it? Check on my phone. About 6:57. My birthday's at 12. Still with my guy George. We're on our fifth drink.
Fifth drink.
Fifth drink. Margaritas. Keep going up, bro.
Because I realized there was a market, there was an opportunity for Cancun Journey for like making a lot of money on tour. I think 8.
8?
Yeah, because
I don't feel it.
we've had at least 4.
I think when we get up, we're gonna feel it.
Oh, yeah.
I think we're gonna feel it when we get up.
I feel it now.
Because you just got up, so now you're like, when we're sitting down, it's kind of like whatever. You can just keep going. But when you get up, you're like, oh,
bro, we're
shit,
gonna be fucked up.
My equilibrium is off.
I was working as a tour provider on the streets, but then I decided, no, let's set up on Instagram and try and, you know, get something going. So that's when I started Cancun Journey. But that's when I realized, yeah, Cancun Journey had a big future, and I just started full on going on the Instagram.
I feel like more than Cancun Journey, your personality. You're a cool guy. When people meet you, they're excited. They want to spend money with you because you're such a personable person. You know what I'm saying? When they meet you, they're like, damn, this guy's cool as shit. Like,
But the thing is,
trust him. You get
I
what I'm
can't
saying?
meet everyone.
There's a
And
sense of trust.
You're my age, not necessarily someone else that's a family of 4 or something, or you know. And I don't get to meet everyone that buys from me.
You can't necessarily. I thought you have to bring them their ticket, like you did me.
So that was in the beginning. Now,
later on, you start getting.
Now it's just like WhatsApp me your name and your info, and I'll book it for you, and you send the money by PayPal.
So I don't even have to be with you anymore.
No.
Oh, I didn't know that. Why didn't you say that?
You wouldn't have met with me. He wouldn't even be here if he didn't have to. Fucking.
Just send me my shit, bro.
Just give me the wristband, give me the pocket tools, I'll send you the money. You don't need to fuck.
Cash app. I'll Venmo it. just make one, bro.
I'm going hard for my team. Just dropped a perk in my lean. Just dropped a perk in my lean. I'm cooler than niggas. Gucci and Louis, no problem. I promise to shit on you niggas. Come fuck with a nigga. I hang with killers, spill liquor, and baby, I don't take no pictures. I'm by my figures. Her body right, pussy tight, saying nice. Don't make me suspicious. Chasing these digits. I'm risking life, do it twice in blue stripes. You know how we get it. They really ain't for your soul. Some nights it's rainy and cold. I hope I die when I'm old. I hope my niggas don't fold. I just took a shot at some hand. Now throwing shots at her friend. Come here. Lil' baby, you can't pretend. Bitch, I look good in this Benz. I'm counting all of my sins. I never followed your trends. G-Wagon watch when I spin. Let all my dogs out the pen. Fuck it, how much should I send?
Good, huh? Good water.
Good fucking water.
Vaso de agua, por favor.
Figure out how to get up there. Oh shit. Fog, man.
Where you come from, bro?
I'm from Detroit. I'm from Detroit.
Cool. Nice. I know where it is.
Where are you from?
Israel.
Israel? Oh wow, what brings you so far?
Love traveling. I was super close to Detroit.
Yeah? Where were you at?
I crossed the state.
I'm doing a vlog.
A vlog?
Yeah, I'm doing a travel vlog.
On YouTube.
Yeah. I just got this GoPro. And I don't know, I'm excited.
I love vlogging.
I'm like a
but
nerd.
Not for YouTube though, but
No?
just for myself. Because like just then I was vlogging. I mean, I like to take videos
Oh,
to
like little
remember.
snaps and stuff.
Yeah, like I
Got you.
don't send it to anyone or do anything. I just, for me or a friend or anyone.
Yeah, I don't really care how many views I get.
But
What's
like-
all in this? In your omelet?
I don't know. Ham, cheese, and something green. Eat veggies.
Yummy.
On the road, hit every target on the map. Tell him come and shop with me, he wanna take a nap. Come on. Little bro just hit the road, I pray he make it back. I be spending all this shit cause I can make it back. And I ain't never wrote no rap if I ain't staying facts. Never. All up in my face, don't get too attached. Me and Luke just did 30 off the newest jacks. All my fans saying drop cause I be talking shit. You keep saying that's your bitch, but you ain't bought her shit. I ain't really stressing, I ain't got no problems. I'm just trying to squeeze 10 in my jogging fit. You be all up in the mix, but I ain't into that. I'm not. In the club throwing dubs, I'm just giving back. Ain't no point in getting phones if you don't get the X. 512s go for a band, I just made a check. They talking down but staying close cause they need me. If I ever go broke, who gon' feed me? They see me spreading all this money, think it's easy. But if I ever lose it all, they gon' leave me. I swear. I had to climb up from the bottom, now I'm at the top. All the niggas that was laughing, now they gotta watch me. Spent your last on the bag, that shit gotta stop. And you keep saying you gon' be rich and you ain't got a plot. I'm just focused on a mission cause I need racks. Bro passing out testers for the feedback. You just wanna get high, you where the weed at. Can point you in the right direction if you need that. And I'm tired of people saying you don't need money. Cause when I ain't had that shit, I swear it wasn't sunny. Say she in it.
Guys, check it out, check it out. When the beat drop, we will drop it together, okay? DJ, spit it out.
shows. Said that I can't, now she touching her toes. I'm painting her face while she blowing her nose.
Hay quesadillas, sopes, guaraches, pambazos, tacos, tortas que le damos amiga, y unas quesadillas, pambazos, tacos, tortas, guaraches, sopes.
I haven't had anybody videotape me yet, which I need. Because like when I'm doing it like this, I feel like it looks so stupid. I feel like it looks so stupid walking around like, hey, look at me.
Hey guys.
Yeah.
That's me.
Yeah. Who else would it be? Oh man. I want to show some of this food. Yeah. Looks good. Is that pork? Got the rice out.
Can you connect this thing with your phone?
Yeah, I can connect it with my phone. Juices on deck. That look good. These look good. I'm gonna get me a juice tomorrow before I got a whole box. What'd you get? How do you say your name again?
Carmel.
Carmel?
This, basically.
Oh, that does look good, but is it cooked? I'm just curious. Is that the way it's seasoned? Like, is it?
I don't know, but I hope it's good. It looks good.
It does look good, but it looks kind of bloody. But I feel like that's the marination on it. Marinating? I don't know how to say marinating.
If I get sick.
Yeah, if you get sick, let me know. I'm about to catch the bus to Chiquila and then catch the ferry to Hobox Island. This is my first backpacking trip, as you can see.
Wake up back one to the face. I'm high in space, new foreign, yo, who tryna race? Bitch, get the fuck out my face. I'm getting paid, you boring, so you gotta skate. She fell in love with my taste. I wake up late, ain't touring, but I'm in your state. I'm trying to come up and rate. Bob with the grapes, you snoring, this dream I'ma chase. Where my conscience is, probably somewhere where the Martians live, where the fish don't swim. Bricks dance in the wind, chain swing in the wind.
Hey, so I just got off the ferry, just made it to Hobox. It's so beautiful. Waiting on my friend Dave to get his stuff.
Yeah, we good.
Made it to our hostel. Gonna check in. It's pretty dope. Yo, so I'm on my way back to the crib. About to head to the beach after I check in, because check-in was at 3. I just got some food. I'm trying to figure out, I might rent a bicycle and do like a time-lapse video showing the whole island. That's what I'm thinking.
Hey. Hey, young nigga from the trenches. Only thing on my mind is I gotta get it. For real. Ain't talking about no food, need a meal ticket. Trey left a long time ago, but I can still feel it. Told her I was off the juice, but I'ma still kill it. When I started touching pape, shit got real different. Like I'm blind without bread, I don't feel niggas. You too old to be telling like a little nigga. My niggas be really in the field with the shit. From my neck, it look like I got a deal from this shit. I ain't gotta ask how I feel to be rich. Even if they offer you a deal, you a snitch. I don't understand niggas. If I'm breaking bread, then why run off? I'm doing fraud, call T if you want the dog. I never need a bitch, I just want a ball. Steady buying on designer like I want more. My nigga doing all that time, he just want a call. It's still hard for me to make time for it, but somehow a nigga still managed to talk a bitch out her panties on FaceTime for it.
I think 2 days into this vlogging shit, I done figured out this vlogging shit ain't for me. Like, this is why y'all not gonna see my face a lot in the videos. Like, only been here since Friday and it's Sunday, and now I'm on Hobox Island. And it's just weird walking around with a fucking camera. Like, I'd rather just videotape shit. Like, look at all these damn dogs. They couldn't scrap it out. He on his turf. Don't fuck with boy like that. I told him to stop coming around here. He ain't listen. Look, this the backup. You could tell by his face. He got that tiger face. But yeah, like I was saying, this shit is not cut out for me. Like, just being a, like, always putting a camera in a motherfucking face or putting it in my face. Like, I'd rather just videotape shit. So I think when I'm vlogging, I think I'll just have like a minute or 2 minute videos just showing the scenery or some shit for future vlogs. Like later, what is it, later in March, I'm going on a ski trip. I'm just gonna videotape that shit. Like, ain't gonna be no faces or that shit just weird. Yo, so I'm eating some crepes and some egg shit and some juice and some tea and some bread with some jelly. And I look over behind me and there's a fucking pool. I don't stay here, by the way. I was like, damn, this is kind of sweet. This is kind of dope. Nice little pad in Hobox Island. They got the hammocks up there. Cause I came from that way. Hey, so I just got back from Hobox. Just got off the ferry. I'm about to catch the bus back to Cancun and meet up with my sister, niece, and mom. But yeah, Hobox was live as fuck, bro. I really wish I could have stayed.
Time for me to rap, cause I'm still on that trap shit. New rappers coming out and they still on that cap shit. Let a nigga test me, RP under the caption. Young nigga in college still working on that first degree. Let a nigga up stick and that's gonna be my first degree. The way that I was down on my knuckles, it's hard to believe. Letting off the stove just to get a damn bite to eat.
Say hello to my vlog, guys.
Oh, they look good. It's coming. It's here.
This is my sister, mom, niece.
You just should have went past me fast.
There you go. Spotlight on you.
Taylor.
You gonna give them your government? Ooh, our food is here. Muy bueno. Muy bien. Hey, so I stole my niece away from my mom and sister.
Hola.
And her birthday was last week, so I'm about to take her on this jungle tour where we get to snorkel and ride the speedboat, which is fast as shit. But anyways, show you guys.
Everybody wanna hit the road, can't get no bags off. The type of nigga try to cost some rich for half off. Blue bills, I got it on. Try to cost some work for me, you get crushed Tylenol. Everybody wanna hit the road, can't get no bags off. The type of nigga try to cost some rich for half off. Blue bills, I got it on. Try to cost some work for me, you get crushed Tylenol. Nigga.
This is funny. I didn't cut you out. I would never. I don't think I ever use cuss words when I talk to you. Hey.
Hey Tara, what's going on? When are we gonna go party in Detroit?
Boy, wildin'.
Now we can do our shit. Hey, don't fucking shoot.
Hey. Look at him.
What the fuck is this? This communication error with the system. There is a communication error with the system. Okay. Let's try another one.
You try this one.
You're gonna give me money. You know that. You're gonna charge me like fucking $3 for every time I try.
Your card is shit. Let's go to Nova.
Let's just hit another ATM, bro.
Dude, this is funny. It's pretty funny.
The bag just dropped, it's time to pick it up. Call my brother Mark, he about to scoop me in that Porsche truck. It's time to hit the road. Just listen. Hit the road with Michi at them Giffies and them MSR. 100,000 blues under the seats, we had to stuff the car. Punching up in Ohio.